So it's time for the evening edition of the Garden Railway videos. And I'm doing this to show off the lighting. You see, look at how nicely lit up the caboose is. And look at the headlight and the cab light in the K27. And the street lamps I got in the town. Just want to show off the lighting, so thought this would be cool. You can see the marker lantern's pretty cool on the caboose too, pretty well. Actually looks all pretty good. The caboose is lit with bright white LEDs, with yellow LEDs for the marker lanterns, which is a lot because the marker lanterns of the era the caboose is modeled in were actually yellow lenses. And this actually is starting to pick up enough power to run the sound system better. I'm actually running the tank car and gondola tonight. This looks cool, look at that. This has always been one of my favorite parts of model trains, especially when they've got lights. So this is one of the reasons is you want them to have lights. Run them in the dark. And you can kind of get a feel, oh, lack of power. Anyway, get a feel for train running at night. Anyway, I'll go fix that and I'll be back. So here we are again, just looking at it from this angle. I thought it would look really cool. Let's see if this works or if I fix this or not. Cool. Cool, yeah, it's kind of hard to track though in the low lighting, but there it is. So, anyway. That's enough for tonight.